Dr. Radha Subramaniam. We are going to learn today an excellent trick to balance combustion reactions from chemistry. Okay, we are going to learn an easy trick to balance combustion reaction. So, how will you do it? Normally, we have got some formulas for balancing combustion reaction. See, if it is an alkane, CnH2n plus 2, that is an alkane, plus 3n plus 1 divided by 2 into O2, giving NCO2 plus n plus 1 into H2O, that is one equation. Now, next one is if it is an alkene, it is CnH2n. See, CnH2n is the general formula for alkene and CnH2n plus 2 is the general formula for alkane. So, here plus 3n by 2 into O2. See, here it is 3n plus 1 means here we will have only 3n by 2 into O2 gives NCO2 plus NH2O. And the third formula is CnH2n minus 2, this is alkyne, ALKYNE. If it is an alkyne, then that plus 3n minus 1 by 2 into O2 giving NCO2 plus n minus 1 into H2O. So, now we will have a very easy method to balance it without going into the formulas or things like that. So, we can balance the equation without using the formula. So, first of all, you all know what is meant by combustion, isn't it? What is combustion? It is just the process of burning, burning of any substance is called combustion. And now what is meant by hydrocarbon? You know, hydrocarbons are compounds containing hydrogen and carbon. So, if you burn hydrocarbon, always burn hydrocarbons with excess of oxygen. Why you should do like that? Now, why we want excess of air? See, if you burn hydrocarbons with insufficient supply of oxygen, it will result in the formation of carbon monoxide. You know, carbon monoxide instead of carbon dioxide, if carbon monoxide is formed, it is very highly poisonous. Okay, so that is why we must give excess of air to hydrocarbon, because it will react fully to give carbon dioxide and water, because only in excess of air carbon dioxide and water are formed. Okay, now let us write the equation. CXHY, that is a hydrocarbon. So, it is burnt in air, that is plus oxygen giving CO2 plus H2O. Okay, now we will try to balance this equation first. So, for that let us see here how many moles of carbon are there? X moles of carbon are there. Now, what will you do? You have to put X here also. Now, carbon here also X, this is also X. Now, number of moles of hydrogen is Y here. Here how many moles of hydrogen are there? 2 are there. So, you have to balance it. How will you balance it? See, here it is just Y and here we have got 2. Okay, so what you have to do is this 2, see, into you have to take Y by 2, then 2 and 2 will get cancelled and you will get just Y. So, what have you got to multiply? You have to got to multiply with Y by 2. So, we will put Y by 2 H2O. You get this point clear? See, this side, right side, product side, there are 2 moles of hydrogen, and left side we have got only by moles of hydrogen. So, to balance that part we have to get just Y alone. So, only if you multiply this by Y by 2, that 2 and 2 will get cancelled and you will get Y, and then the equation will be balanced. Now, okay, we have finished carbon and hydrogen. Now, we will move on to oxygen. See here 2 moles of oxygen are there, and right hand side see 2x moles and Y by 2. So, we will just add 2x, 2 into x and Y by 2. Okay. So, right side number of moles of oxygen now is 2x plus Y by 2. So, we think let it be n moles of oxygen in the reactant side. Okay. So, 2 into n, 2n. No, see, both the sides it has to be equally balanced. So, we will just take 2 into n is equal to 2x plus Y by 2. We are equating right hand side and left hand side. Okay, now reactant side and product side. So, now we can just divide all the terms by 2, and now we will get the equation like n is equal to x plus y by 4. Clear? So, we get the equation like n is equal to x plus y by 4. So, this is the trick and you have to remember this equation well. Now, what is the trick? We got carbon dioxide that is x, water that is y by 2 and oxygen is x plus y by 4. You have to remember this. Okay, see, carbon dioxide we got it as x, water as y by 2, okay, and oxygen we got it as x plus y by 4. You remember all these tricks. Now we will try to do balance one equation based on this. Okay, so just see, this is the equation Ce8H16 plus O2 giving CO2 plus H2O. Now how will you balance it? Okay, first we will see carbon dioxide, that is x itself. What is x here? 8. So just put this x value over here. Now what is, how many moles of water? Y by 2 should come. So what is y? Y is 16 here. See, that is what we took here, CXHY. Okay, and y is how much? Y is 16. So y by 2 is 8. So we have to put 8H2O. Now what do you do for oxygen? Just substitute x plus y by 4. How much is x? 8. 8 plus y is 16. 16 by 4. So 4. Okay, 4 plus 8, that is 12. You get 12 O2. Easy. So x is 8, y is 16. N is equal to 8 plus 16 by 4. 16 by 4 is 4. So 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Okay, so that is how you get 12 here. Now we will try to do some example sums. That is for the combustion of 1 mole of butane, how many moles of oxygen is required. Okay, so you are having options 5, 13 by 2, 23 by 2 and 2. See, you get such questions for NEET exam, then if you know this trick you can easily solve the equation. So you know what is the formula for butane? It is C4H10. Okay, now we will write the equation. Just write C4H10 plus O2. All the time it will be CO2 and H2O. Just remember, write x and y firstly. X is 4, y is 10. Okay, you have to calculate this n. Okay, that is what they are asking you to do. So n is equal to, just calculate it, x plus y by 4. That is 4 plus 10 by 4. Okay, that is 4 plus 10 by 4 can be 5 by 2. So 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 by 2. N is equal to 13 by 2. So option 2 is the correct answer. You can practice more such questions. So now all of you, I am very sure that you are finding this trick, that is how to balance combustion reaction. Very easy. If you follow this method, you can easily solve this without using all these equations. Okay, I think that you will find this trick really useful. For more such videos, do keep watching our channel Chemistry Made Simple for NEET, and do like, share and subscribe to our channel and support the channel. And thank you all for watching this video. Very soon we will meet up with a new video. Thank you.